Good day, ma'am. Today, I will discuss you the understanding safety culture in the workplace. So, introduction contents is the first is what is safety culture. Second is the 9 culture actions, and 3 is why is it important, and lastly is the implementing safety culture. So, what is safety culture? Safety culture is the shared values, beliefs, attitudes, and behaviors about safety within a workplace or organization. And it's basically how people think and act when it comes to safety. So why is safety culture important? So because it influences employee behavior and mindset. It also reduces risk of injury and fatality and creates accountability and trust. So let's proceed to the 9 culture actions. So the first is communicate company values. So reinforce the organization's commitment to safety through clear messages and consistent actions. So for example, in the field or site, so the posters and toolbox meetings, safety slogans like no job is so important that it can't be done safely. So number 2 is demonstrate leadership. So leaders set the example by showing visible commitment to safety. So in the field, supervisors wear PPE correctly and join safety audits and walk around the site to observe the engage with workers. Number 3 is to clarify expected behaviors. Make sure everyone knows exactly what safe behavior looks like and what isn't acceptable. So for example is safety reminders during morning briefings, posting procedures near machines, and correcting unsafe actions immediately. So number 4 is to personalize safety outcomes. Make safety personal so workers emotionally connect with its importance. So in the field is sharing stories of real incidents involving friends or co-workers to show the human impact of negligence. The number 5 is the develop positive safety attitudes. So foster a mindset that values safety not just for compliance but because it's the right thing to do. So in the field, it's celebrating safe behavior, praising workers who correct others or report near misses. The number 6 is engage ownership. So it's empower workers to take responsibility for their own safety and that of their peers. So for example, letting employees help develop checklists or safety plans, and encouraging workers to stop work if something feels unsafe. Number 7 is raise hazard awareness. So increase knowledge about risk and encourage proactive behavior. Or daily hazard checks like visual warning signs and asking workers to identify risk before tasks begin, using SLAM or stop, look, assess, and manage. The number 8 is to improve safety systems. Ensure there are effective working systems like GSAS, incidents reports to support safe practices. For example, is to regularly updating SWMS or safe work method statements, using checklists and reporting tools consistently. And lastly is to monitor and reflect. Continuously review and improve safety culture efforts. So in monthly safety meetings or feedback surveys, tracking safety KPI is like number or of near misses or toolbox talks conducted. So let's proceed to importance of implementing safety culture in the workplace. Ansyahan is reduces accidents and injuries. Because a strong safety culture, it ensures everyone is aware of risk and follow procedures, leading to fewer incidents, near misses, and lost time due to injuries. The second is to improve employee morale and trust. So the worker feels safer and more valued when they know their well-being is a priority. So this builds trust in management and boosts team morale. Number 3 is increase productivity. So safe environment are equals to fewer disruptions or smoother operations. So the employee can focus better when they're not worried about hazard. It enhances company reputation. So the company known for strong safety culture are more respected by clients, stakeholders, and even job seekers. It also ensures legal compliance. The safety culture helps meet local and national workplace safety regulations, avoiding fines, shutdowns, or legal issues. Number 6 is to promotes accountability at all levels. Everyone becomes responsible, not just the safety officer. Workers, managers, and even contractors know their role in safety. The number 7 is encourage continuous improvement. So regular review of safety practices leads to innovation, better systems, and stronger performance long term. So that's all. Thank you.